Hello students. Today we are going to be start with the Python installation and yes, I'm fine. So we are here to find out how to set up the Python environment in your machine. So I am here with the Windows 10 on my machine. So if you are with the Mac, your installation will be different. So let's have the look of this Python installation today with Windows. Now the very first I'm opening in front of you. I'm opening in front of you command prompt. So in your Windows prompt, just type CMD. You will be having this command prompt. Okay, and now you can even type Python. Okay. It doesn't give you any kind of prompt. Otherwise, it is asking for different things to you. Okay. So, fine. So, we have to close this window. Okay. Otherwise, you can find out the version which is installed in your machine. So, py hyphen hyphen version. So with this, you can find out no Python is installed on your system. Fine. So how to get that? Go to the browser and type here Python download. This prompt you have to give. The very first site you got here is Python org. Simply click on that. So in this yellow button, you will always get the latest version of Python exe. Now my system is not installed with the Python. So today we will be starting with the very fresh installation of Python in any Windows machine. So simply click to the that and you will be getting here the exe file automatically downloaded into the download folder. You have to simply double click on the particular file, the exe file, and when this window comes, you click on this exe, don't forget to check this add python exe to path. Okay, and then click on install now. So I'm hitting the enter on install now, and the Python version 3.13.5 is getting installed in my Windows machine. So we have to be wait by the time, and we have seen with respect to this there is no Python installed or found. So how to check Python is installed in your machine or not? So with respect to this, py, or otherwise you can type even Python hyphen hyphen version. So this also gives Python was not found. Okay. So here we will be completing with the setup. Let's wait. Then later on we will be checking how this Python environment we can use using the IDLE. So we are not using today any IDE. There are many IDE like Reptile, like Anaconda, Jupyter, Colab, but we are dealing with the Python today. Instead of that, we are taking the introduction for IDLE IDE. Okay. Now the prompt in front of you on the window is setup was successful. You have to simply close this window. Fine. Now close this old command prompt very first. So I have closed this. Okay. Now I have installed this. So no need of this window also. Now again search for the new command prompt. Okay. And now type Python hyphen hyphen version. Now it gives me which version 3.13.5 Python 3 which you got here 3.13.5, and the exactly we got here 3.13.5. Yes. Now what will happen if I type pip? Okay, so it is automatically installed with the Python. Okay, now I have this Visual Studio with me, but still you can check out this idle. This IDLE is the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, where we can code with the help of Python. Okay, what is the full form of this IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay, so before moving directly to the IDLE, let's work out on the terminal. So the very first, now we know that how to check out version. So I use this. Now, what happened if I give the instruction pip? It gives me all the related commands with which pip is what? Python integrated packages. Fine. Now we can install something using this pip command. If you need to clear this, you can type simply CLS. Fine. Now, my question is that can you code with the help of command prompt? Can you code with the command prompt? Yes, of course. To work with the command prompt, now you have to give the prompt Python. You will come up with this three moving forward angular arrows. Now you can have directly code with the Python here. For example, print, I'm printing hello students, and it simply give me the output at the next line. But why we are not using this IDE, command prompt IDE to code? Because it is not user friendly. It does not gives us the integrated environment to work out. Then we cannot handle the large amount of code in a good way. Then there is no project management here, limited plugin support, and we cannot code very large well. Okay, so that's why. Now, the very important one of the thing is, do you remember how many keywords are there in C language? 32 keywords. Now, how to find out the keywords that are in Python? So for that, import keyword. This is the standard library we are using. Okay, the spelling wrongs. Import keyword. Then we have to print that list. So I'm using print, and here is keyword. हमें print करना है, and वहाँ का function kw list. Okay, and I just hit the enter. What you will get? The keywords. How many of those keywords are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to something 36. But instead of this, if I write down the code, import keywords, import keyword, then print keyword. Okay, we have to be print now the length. So length is the function we can use. Keyword dot kw list. So, and if I hit the enter, it must have to give me the count of all the keywords available here. Fine. So let's wait for this. By the time we have pip is installed here, what happened with this? It must have to give us the count. Okay. It. Hmm. I'm reopening this. Okay. So Python. If I need the help from Python, I can have this. This way, help. In the help, I can find out the different modules that are available by giving the modules command. What is mean by modules? Modules are the ready-made functionalities that are available, ready to use. Okay. So it is gathering for us the different modules available. And you know that there are some modules that are the functionalities, and modules are available into the libraries. You might be having the name of some libraries like Bottleneck, Xarray, NumPy, Pandas, SkyPy. Okay, so these are some of the libraries. Now, uh, as my PC is going slower down, please wait a moment. Something is happened. Okay. It must have to give me all the module names over there. Python and then modules. Okay. In help, I can get modules. Okay. Please wait. Okay. These are the modules. Look at the modules which are ready to use in your Python functionalities. Okay. Now, the last thing, exit from here. Okay, I'm exiting. Exit from here and I'm clearing my screen. Now, how to find out which version is installed on your system? So you can have this code, system, and then print system dot version. Okay, it gives you the version. Now let's come to the topic of IDLE. Okay, integrated development learning environment. Search here IDLE and just come here. One thing is remaining here in command prompt. If you type where Python, where is my Python is installed, so it gives you this two paths. Okay, sometimes it gives you one path also. The very important thing to set the environment variable is here. You have to be search environment variable. So click this edit environment variable for your account. Um, Click to the path and then click to the edit. Okay. And then click here new. And in this one by one, you have to add this both path. So copy from here and you can simply paste here and then okay. Uh, let's take the path. Okay, so I'm taking the first path to add. So I'm copying this path. What happened? So we can have the blank document. Okay, now I'm copying this first path and then going to the environment variable, then click to the path, then edit, and then new. In this new, control V. So my first path is getting added. Okay. Though now it's time for setting up the environment variable. Second, if you are getting only one path using this where Python command, then it's okay. Okay. So in this way, I can set the environment variables also. Now let's start with the idle. In your search windows S, you have to simply find out idle, and this environment comes in front of you. Now, how this environment is? Can you tell me how you feel while working on this environment? This environment is very simple. It's a beginner friendly environment, and there is no need to install this. It's a uh, it supports your debugging. There is a very good for the basic learners. Okay, even color codes are also there, like if I want print and then hello, so you can have this color combinations is there, and on the second prompt we can get the code. Okay, even we can have the uh, you can run directly a file or a notepad file or a wordpad file in which you have written the code. That also you can directly run over here. But what are the basic disadvantages of this IDE is there is no as such project environment, and you can find there is very poor UI customization here. No, it is not actually suitable for web development, because there is a no project management. Actually, the large amount of module, how we can handle with this. So this is the IDE which by default get installed with the Python. And I think here we stop today with this Python, and I hope you understood how to set up the environment variable and how to install the Python in your machine, how to check the version, and how to uh, work with the ID idle. Okay. So thank you.